this is Pooja and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So Amazon पे चल रही है बहुत ही अच्छी सेल and इतनी अच्छी सेल में मैं watches ना लूँ ऐसे नहीं हो सकता because I was searching for the latest collection of watches on Amazon and trust me, I found some amazing watches. So this time I experimented with some new brands which I've never tried before and I want to share my experience with you guys कि मुझे कैसी लगी and all. So yes, I'm very excited for this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna start with some amazing brand called Casio and मैं ये first time try कर रही हूँ. I heard a lot about this brand कि इनकी watches बहुत अच्छी होती है. So Casio की जो digital watches है वो ज़्यादा famous है compared to analog watches and I thought कि हम कुछ अलग ट्राई करते हैं. So I bought analog watch from this brand. Okay, so the watch comes with a round dial and an analog display. I love the golden color of this watch. It's pure gold. So it is going to complement all your ethnic outfits, party wear outfits and casual outfits. So it comes with a stainless steel strap and 30mm water resistant feature. So the price of the watch was somewhere around 3000 and the major has. So I'm gonna provide the link of the watch in the description box below. So I love the detailing of this and plus the white dial complements this golden strap a lot. So yes, it's a perfect combination I feel and it is going to complement all your dials. So if you want to invest in a watch जिसकी डायल जो है बड़ी भी ना हो छोटी भी ना हो मीडियम साइज डायल एंड आप सारे ही wrist पे अच्छी लगे तो invest in this Casio watch. It's a beautiful watch. I'm in love with this brand. So in terms of looks, it is 10 on 10. So I will definitely update about this watch because मैंने ये brand first time use किया है. So I can't say much about it. जितना मुझे रिसर्च करके एंड इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ के रिव्यूज पढ़ के समझ में आया मैंने उतना आपको बताया. रेस्ट आई एम गोना अपडेट इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो यस, अ परफेक्ट वॉच इफ यू वांट समथिंग व्हिच इज फॉर्मल, एलिगेंट एंड क्लासिक. Okay, so the next watch is something which is my favorite from this collection and ये मैंने ली है from the brand called Fast Track. So just look at the color combination. I love the color combination of this watch. Like it comes in a black dial and a rose gold strap. So ये एक ऐसी watch है जो बहुत सारे लोगों के wrist पे अच्छी लगेगी. Plus आप इसे formal तरीके से style करो या फिर casual outfits के साथ. It is going to suit all your styles. So I just loved it. Love the color combination. Plus this feels sturdy. So it comes with a metallic strap and an analog display with a round black dial. I love the gorgeous black dial. And surprisingly, this watch was not that expensive because I was expecting a good amount to pay for this watch. It's just because I don't know, it feels like it is expensive. So yes, but this is so affordable. So I'm gonna put all the links in the description box below, or you can click on the left hand side of the video where you will get a bag icon and उस पे click करने के बाद आपको view products में different products दिखेंगे. So whatever watch you want to buy, आप उस पे थोड़ी और inquiry करके उसका description पढ़ के purchase कर सकते हो. So I just feel this is so perfect. Like if you're looking for a nice black dial watch और वो थोड़ी affordable भी हो then you must go for this. This is something which I love a lot and amazing it is. So इसका जो डायल का साइज है वो ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं है. It's a medium size dial and I absolutely love this. Like look at this, how gorgeous it is. So I'm in love with this. Plus ये casual outfits के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. So if you don't want to put a lot of efforts in your outfits and you just want a statement watch, so just throw a white shirt with your blue denims and just wear this watch. It is going to complement your look a lot. So yes, I absolutely love this. Amazing watch from Fast Track and I was not expecting this. So इससे पहले कि out of stock हो जाए, go and purchase it because उसके बाद आप मुझसे description में आके पूछते हो कि इसकी link दे दो एंड मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती उसके बाद बिकॉज ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो चुकी होगी. तो फास्ट ट्रैक जो अपना कलेक्शन बहुत फास्ट अपडेट कर रहा है इसलिए जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक कर देता है प्रीवियस कलेक्शन को. अब वो ज़्यादा स्टॉक नहीं रखते. सो येस, इफ यू लव इट गो एंड बाय इट. Alright you guys, next is from this very famous well-known brand called Titan. So जिन्हें metallic straps नहीं पसंद है, for them leather strap की वॉच मैंने ली है and it's a beautiful round dial और थोड़ा सा golden detailing है with a rhinestone detailing inside it and it comes with a pink strap which is so lovely. The quality of the strap feels good and it's from the brand called Titan. So original price is 5245 but I got it on a good discount. So I don't prefer wearing leather watches a lot, but sometimes they look good. So it depends on your liking. अगर आपको metallic straps पसंद है, you can go with the metallic straps watches. So people who love leather watches, उनके लिए you can go for this. Compliments my dress a lot, so yes, a very nice watch. So it also comes with a stainless steel dial and a 50mm water resistant feature. So yes, and Titan की watches बहुत अच्छी होती है, no doubt. Titan की बहुत सारी watches I have and they're pretty good. They're in good condition and you know if you have a rough use and आपको ज़्यादा care करना नहीं पसंद अपने watches की, तो invest in a Titan watch because that is going to last you for a very long time. And if you love those nice, good-looking dials, so invest in a Fossil watch because मुझे Fossil की dial बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Beautiful watch to show you guys and it's from this brand called Fast Track. So just look at this. मैंने इससे पहले वाले एक वीडियो में एक ब्रेसलेट वॉच दिखाई थी फ्रॉम टाइटन. तो आपको ना इसे रैप लाइक ऐसे रैप जैसे ब्रेसलेट वॉच है ये, तो इसे ओपन करके आप इसे रैप कर सकते हैं अराउंड योर हैंड एंड देन ये कुछ ऐसे दिखेगी बैक से एंड फ्रंट से. इट इज समथिंग लाइक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ऑक्टागोनल डायल के साथ आता है. इट इज इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल गोल्ड कलर. सो ये एग्जैक्ट वो पॉपी गोल्ड नहीं है, थोड़ा सा रोज गोल्ड एंड गोल्ड के बीच का जो कलर है वो है, एग्जैक्टली रोज गोल्ड भी नहीं है. सो ब्यूटीफुल कलर एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. So and it is going to complement all your party looks, casual looks, ethnic wear. So you can definitely have a watch like this in your collection. It's a fun watch, it's a cool watch and you can experiment a lot with your looks and yes, trust me, you're not going to regret it. It's amazing. It's an amazing watch. Plus it is from Fast Track. So Fast Track is very famous for their long lasting watches and their amazing collection. So yes, amazing watch it is. The dial seems good. Again, it comes with a beautiful bracelet metallic strap and it comes with a 50mm water resistant feature. So if you're looking for a watch which is classy and which is different from your regular watches, then you can go for this. It's an amazing watch to have. Plus I bought some accessories to wear with the watch and I bought it from the brand called, okay, there's no brand written on this. मैं लिंक कर दूंगी, मैं टैग कर दूंगी ये प्रोडक्ट को. सो ये वॉच एक्सेसरी है. सो ये एक ऐसे ब्रेसलेट स्ट्रैप आता है, दो ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेसलेट काइंड ऑफ थिंग आती है जो आप इस वॉच को भी वॉच के साथ पहन सकते हो टू मेक इट मोर फेमिनिन. सो आप इसे किसी भी वॉच के साथ पहन सकते हो टू मेक इट मोर फेमिनिन. और अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट करना है तो आप कोई भी वॉच परचेज करोगे इसके साथ ही एक्सेसरी गिफ्ट कर देना. योर गर्ल इज गोइंग टू लव इट फॉर श्योर. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल accessory and yes. So yes, with this I would like to end my today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and if you did then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon next to it so that मैं जब भी वीडियो डालो तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. Bye, I'll see you next time.